Welcome in, everyone. This is Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. I am so excited to get this crypto school underway. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys what to expect and what you're going to get when it comes to this crypto school and why I'm doing it. So if you guys don't know me, my name is Michael Tharp. I live in Michigan. I was a teacher for 17 years, history, government, economics, and I also taught special education. I got into crypto in 2017, and I love gold and silver. And thanks to the internet and online businesses, I was able to retire from teaching in 2020. Now I focus on helping other people master their mindset and wealth. So I'm excited to help as many people as possible. Now, why I am doing this is in the first bull market in 2017, I had no idea what I was doing. It was so hard to find people who were willing to help. Like, yeah, they would give you knowledge. You could watch YouTube videos, but trying to actually get somebody to like help you one-on-one or really explain, a concept of where you were at was very difficult to find. In 2020, 21, I knew what I was doing. I was prepared, and people were coming to me left and right. What do I buy? Where do I do this? What's this wallet? How does this all work? And like I tried to help as many people as I could, but it was like there was no system in place. So like people might do one or two things and then they would get distracted, or they'd see a different coin, and I couldn't help people as much as I wanted to, even though I tried. So this time around, I said, okay, I'm going to create a course, I'm going to create a community, and that's what we're going to focus on. So this could be for people who have never been into crypto. It could be for people who have been in it even longer than me, but maybe you just want a community. And here's where I think I give some advantage to you guys is right now I know this is generational wealth. So I basically spend all day researching crypto, learning about crypto. I probably watch 4-6 hours a day on YouTube. I'm in Discords, I'm on Twitter. So I'm doing all that work so you guys don't have to, right? Obviously, you guys are going to make decisions what you want to do with your money. I'm just providing you with the knowledge and research that I'm doing all the time anyways to help you guys win. And I want to share with you guys what you're going to get when you join the school. And I think what we put together here is going to be amazing for everyone. So the first one is you're going to get a one-on-one meeting with me to see where you're at, set up your goals, help you with anything that you specifically need with where you're at. Then we're also going to have weekly Zoom meetings. Those will be recorded. So we're going to have people all around the world in this. So if you can't watch it and you can't be there live, you can watch it whenever you get a chance. You're going to get school community access. Okay, so we're going to be putting other stuff in here. Most of it will be trading, but we'll also have, different DeFi stuff we'll do with yield farming. I'll teach you guys how to do all that. I might just put out some calls. If you guys want to buy certain cryptos on your own, you can, and I'll walk you through how to do that. But the only people who will be allowed in here will be paid members. Right now, if you are in the school, you can stay in until this end of November for absolutely free. And then at the end of November, I'll be removing the people who did not upgrade, and then you guys can rejoin if you want to. That's the only way I can do it. So just let me know. I'll remove you from the school, and then you can join back in and pay for the monthly fee. And then also we're going to have exclusive classroom videos. So I'm going to be creating these this week. So it will be under the classroom. Okay, right now we have Crypto 101. So there'll be some different courses in there and videos that you guys can, learn or get educated whenever you have time. So that's the support we're going to give. So no matter where you're at, we're going to help you. You're going to have a community so that hopefully you guys can take advantage of this massive bull run and life-changing wealth. So then we're going to have a system. Okay, so am I the best trader ever? No. Okay, I admit that. But what I'm good at is creating systems that everyone can follow. Because most people overwhelm you, information overload, right? You don't know what to do. There's so much information coming at you. You can't decipher when to do it, how to do it. Okay, this is going to be super simple. I'm going to teach you guys a simple process called the 3x trading strategy. And the other thing I want to be clear about, this does not mean you guys are going to be sitting in front of your computer for hours a day. Not at all. What I would recommend is if you could spend 15 to 30 minutes a day adjusting your positions, okay? And if you miss a day, it's not the end of the world, okay? And you can also do this on your phone, if you're out and about or you're not at home. So this is not something where like I'm going to put out a signal and if you're not there to take it within 5 minutes, like you missed it, okay? Because I hate those things. Like I've been in those and it just gets annoying that like, oh, yeah, it came out at 3 a.m. Yeah, I'm sleeping then, okay? This will be like, hey, we're going to look at this token. I think it's going to come down to this level. Go ahead and put a buy order in there. And that'll give you like 24, 48 hours to set up your buy orders. If you don't even know what a buy order is, that's fine. Maybe you don't know what a stop loss is, that's fine. We'll teach you all that. It's very simple when you have somebody who actually knows how to teach people where they're at. Now, here's the really cool part is even if you guys don't have a lot of money to put into crypto right now, I have a way where I will help you get funded for $10,000 for just $99. Okay, so this is how it works. So there's a challenge fee. This is called a prop firm. This is the first crypto prop firm there is. So you're going to pay a challenge fee depending on how much capital you want access to. So I've done this and I did the $10,000 account balance. So I paid $99. Okay, you have to kind of go through 2 testing periods, but they're pretty simple. Okay, if you follow the 3X strategy, I think you guys will get through this in your first try. And it's unlimited trading period. You can do up to 5 leverage. If you don't know what leverage is, that's okay. And then once you pass those 2 tests, okay, they're going to allow you to trade with $10,000. Now, if you lose a bunch of the money, they're going to kick you out, okay? But as long as you're consistently making money, you're going to get to keep 80% of it. So if they give you $10,000 and you make it to $11,000, you're going to be able to take out $800. And we'll get into all the details of how this works and we'll do it together. But if you guys want to start here, you can. If you don't have, a lot of capital to put in the market right now, I would recommend putting a little bit in on the other exchange we're going to be using, but that's totally up to you guys. So even if you just want to start and just say, okay, I'm going to try this challenge fee to see if I can get this trading thing down, the worst you can lose is that $99. And you can do as many of these as you want. If you want to start with 79, you can, but for me, 99 made the most sense. And then also, guys, like I said, I'm just doing research all the time. I am a geek crypto nerd, proudly. So you guys don't have to do all that stuff. I'm just going to tell you, hey, this is what I'm doing. This is why. If you want to do it, you can. I'll show you how. The other one is the signals. Okay, when to buy, when to sell, when to take profit, when to have a stop loss. So we're going to be using 2 different exchanges. The main one is called Blowfin. And why we're using these certain exchanges is you don't need to have KYC. So for whatever stupid reason in America, they don't allow us to use leverage. And a lot of exchanges make you do a KYC, so we're not able to use leverage, which is huge if you want to make massive profits in crypto. So Blowfin, no KYC. Even if you're in a country that doesn't allow it, you can just get a VPN. It's like $3 a month. I can show you guys how to do that. And again, you might be looking at this, be like, oh my gosh, I remember the first time I looked at a trading screen and I was like, saw these flashing reds and green. I was like, what is going on here? Like, I couldn't even figure out how to buy something. But don't worry, guys. We'll go through the step-by-step, whether it's one-on-one or you guys just watching a video. It's very simple once you understand how to do it. And again, like I said, you have a teacher that actually knows how to teach and isn't just some crypto bro. Now, do you see here where it says demo trading? Okay. So they have what's called paper trading. So you guys can just come in here and practice. If this is new to you, I'm going to almost, I guess I can't force you to do something, but I'm going to say at least spend a day or 2 and, following the trades on the demo trading. So again, you don't have to really take action or put any capital at risk until you're comfortable and you're ready, and that's totally up to you guys. We'll also utilize this other exchange called WeX. And we just want different exchanges just in case. Sometimes we might want to go short on a token, which means we bet it's going to go down. Sometimes we might want to go long. And exchanges don't allow you to do that usually in the same exchange. And sometimes you just want to have like different strategies in different exchanges. If you want to just use one, that's fine. But I like to have 2. This one, again, is no KYC. So no matter where you are in the world, you're going to be able to use it. And so just to kind of show you guys, if you're not familiar with how trading works, like right now, I could walk away from this trade for probably a week. And I mean, I wouldn't want to, but I could. Because if it goes up, I'm going to sell. And if it comes down, I'm going to buy more. And I even have one set down here. Okay. And I can't ever see it possibly getting down here. And if it does, I'm going to set and buy more of it. Okay. So I could not touch this for 3 days and be fine. So that's how I'm just saying how simple and easy this can be is like it's really set it and forget it. And if you want to pay more attention to it, that's better, but you don't have to. Again, we're not sitting at our computers. Well, you guys aren't sitting at your computers for 2 to 3 hours a day. I'm sitting here 5 to 6 because I love this and I'm a nerd. So that's basically it, guys. I don't know if you're already in or you're looking at this on YouTube or you're in at school and you're wondering, should I upgrade? Okay, if you're already in school, you have a free trial until the end of November, and then you're going to be removed, and then you can rejoin. If you're looking at this for the first time, I offer a 7-day free trial, so you can join for absolutely free. And if it's not for you, just cancel within the 7 days, and you won't be charged at all. This is just month to month, so if at any time you feel you're not getting value, then you are welcome to cancel. But again, my goal is to make sure you guys, after a month, say, wow, Mike, I've made so much money. I can't believe you're only charging $99 for this. And I always want to provide as much value for you guys and help as many people as possible. So guys, I'm excited for this bull run. I'm excited to help as many people as possible, but I have capped this at 100 people because I want to make sure the people that join, I can give them the individual attention that they deserve. When I was a teacher, I had 5 classes with about 25 kids, okay? So I had 125 students I was working with. I knew their names. I knew where they were at, and their skill levels. So I knew the kids who needed help more with this and the kids who were super smart. I was like, here's how we can help you and challenge you. So I know about different intelligent levels. So I really want to keep this limited to 100 people. And guys, we're just going to keep going and creating wealth. So even when this bull run's done, guess what? If you have learned the skill of trading, we can short the market. So when everyone else forgets about crypto, we're going to be betting that the price is going to go down. So we can make money whether the price goes up or down. That's the beauty of trading is once you learn this skill, you can make money anywhere, anytime in the entire world for the rest of your life. But the main thing that separates this is you guys don't have to learn those skills right away in order to start making money. I hope you do learn them, and if you pay attention and follow along, you will learn that skill. But right now, I want to help as many people just get started and understand the basic concepts so that you guys can win. All right, we'll see you guys on the inside of school. Lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.